So where are we today?
Today we are in London Zoo, another new zoo to add to my collection. If you haven't watched the other channels, Montpellier and Whipsnake, go and check them out. Anyway, we are looking at the Northern Bald Ibis. It's a weird name. Yeah.
So tell me, where do they live?
Hmm.
North Africa, is it? Somewhere like
Yes.
that. And
Shut up.
what else have we got around here, mate?
We have also got the African Harrier Hawk. Yo, show yourself. These these hawks have extra flexible feet. Small mammals like bats and mice, as well as lizard, eggs, and birds.
Oh, and what's the final one here?
And the final one is the woolly-necked stork. These wading birds, named from their fluffy necks, feeding on fish, frogs, lizards, crustaceans, and big insects.
And where do they live in the world?
Natural wetlands across South Asia and Southeast Asia.